Hey there everyone, welcome to our video on Amazon sales in 2024. If you are looking to save some money on your next purchase, you have come at the right place. In this video, we will be discussing all the upcoming sales on Amazon in 2024, so you can plan your shopping accordingly. But before we dive into the details, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of online shopping. No more waiting in long lines, no more fighting for parking spots, and no more dealing with the salespeople. Ah, the joy of shopping from the comfort of your home. Amazon has a lot of sales planned for 2024, and we are here to give you the inside scoop. First up, we have Amazon Great Republic Day sales, which runs from January 13th to January 18th. The sale is perfect for those looking for electronics, mobiles, and accessories. Next, we have Amazon Super Value Days, which runs from 1st March to March 7th. The sale is perfect for those looking to stock up on groceries and household essentials. And that's just the beginning. There are many more sales planned for 2024. So make sure to keep watching and learn about all of them. These were all the sales that we know about for now. Subscribe to our channel to know about all the latest sales that might come in future. Now that you know all about the upcoming sales on Amazon, let's talk about how you can save even more money. First, make sure to sign up for Amazon Prime. Not only will get you free shipment on eligible items, but you will also get access to exclusive deals and discounts. Second, use Amazon coupons. There are digital coupons that you can apply to your purchase to save even more money. Third, use Amazon Subscribe and Save program. This program will allow you to save up to 15% on your favorite product when you subscribe to them. And finally, make sure to compare prices before making purchase. Amazon isn't always the cheapest option, so it's important to do your research. And there you have it, folks, our ultimate guide on saving money on Amazon in 2024. We hope you found this video helpful and entertaining. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.